Husband and wife, they cool.
Raw view, no packaging. We don't even get time to package because I was super tired. Hobby too was.
Hey, Bella is active. Bella is active.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janearl. If this is your first time, you are welcome. Thank you for joining in. So today's video is like a continuation of the last video I posted. Not really a continuation, like another section. You know, that day, I know most of you actually thought that we did just waffles for the whole day, but no, we went shopping, went to the market, you know, to buy foodstuffs and other things. So it was a rainy day, and yes, here I am. I'm trying to, you know, shop hair products for my kids and myself. Initially, I wanted to buy hair products for myself also, but guys, the price shook me, it choked me. Only the children's own was 17,800 naira. I had to go and return my own jelly because plus my own 18 already was going to 40 something thousand for just 6 products. I had to go and reduce it and just pick just for my kids. And then I went back. This is another supermarket. This is Just Right supermarket. The first supermarket is called the Prince supermarket. That is where I usually buy my hair products. But Just Right don't really have products for natural hair that much, so I didn't even see the products I used to use because I use Aunt Jackie's. Aunt Jackie's is a very good product. Like, it moisturizes your hair, it makes it manageable and soft. And Jackie's is just the best. So then we went to the market and then got so many things. This is fresh fish, catfish. Want to use that for stew, and then we want to make 2 soups, melon soup and afang soup. So it's been a long time. Like, this video is all the way back July, so I cannot remember the prices of all these things, like so I know that I had the price somewhere, but I can't remember there. So we have afang, we have tomatoes and tatashe, we have the melon, we have dried fish and stockfish, we have beef, towel, and I think that is liver for the stew. And then we have ozuza leaf, we have periwinkle, the one without the shell, we have pomo, we have another periwinkle, the one with shells, and then we have crayfish. That's all for the foodstuffs, for the soups and the stew. So then we also, you know, bought mini provisions, you know, just for the house. You know, I think this provision just lasts like maybe a week or 2 days or 5 days, because then in the course of buying things, you know, hubby just, you know, bought turkey and chips with drink for me, so I can just, you know, snack on because I was getting hungry. Then this is it, the 3 products and Jackie products, just conditioner, leave-in conditioner, deep conditioner, and shampoo. Guys, that was 17,800. And when I even got home and opened that conditioner, it was looking half, not even really full. So I don't even know if it is the sellers that removed it or if it is like that. Nah, I don't even know. Say, if I don't hire Nigeria, see the product that chopped my 17,000. This is the only thing I remember because I know say me buy it. You know, say even that you buy something, you know, you go must remember. So for the provisions, we got, you know, like golden morn, noodles, juice, Cerelac, Titus. Then I also bought my soy sauce, spaghetti, macaroni, and we have butter. Then we got some tomato paste, and yeah, that was just it basically, guys. So if this is your first time on this channel, you are welcome. Please don't be a stranger, guys. Please do not be a stranger. Please subscribe to my channel and join the family, I beg you. Don't forget to click on the all notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video.
Guys, I want to step down with some palm wine.
Isabel,
Oh my God.
you have to get them out with you now.
Hey, this boy will not allow me to eat.
So guys, before I entered the cooking proper, like I had to eat and see my daughter there chewing corn stick. This girl loves corn, eh? In fact, if she see food and corn, she will eat the corn first and not even answer you with the food. And Jaden, my baby, after he came back from the hospital, and I think that first few weeks that he came back from the hospital, he refused to eat. Like he started being picky with food. I got scared though. I say, hey Jesus, I was already happy that my baby is a foodie. What is it? But I thank God that he has come back to his, his self. So yes, I was, stepping down with some palm wine while, enjoying my life. Even though this turkey was just bone, no flesh at all. The flesh was just small. We had two big bones. Not even two belly for me like that, but at least they hold my belly until we went to go and cook.
Since when this boy came back from the hospital, he has refused to eat.
But then I'm faded, but I rock it like a baby in a cold. I put the water in the ocean in the city that I'm from.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he come out. No go fumble. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors as that neighbor.
And they chop, they come out. Oh my Lord. Husband and wife, they cool. Don't live. I cook one soup, you cook one soup. Equation balance. Baby, my chef, Chef Earl, guys, Chef Earl. Oh my Lord, Chef Earl in the building. Guys, please excuse the mess. And Gucci is going in now. is active. Bella is active. Oh my lord. Wahala. Aya, how is your own? Bella is not active. How could pepper?
How many people do you want?
3. So here goes in the fish.
I never had a mission, go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady, you ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind and that.
Oh my god, guys, so here is hubby's afang soup. Oh my lord, looking so faithful, as in faithful afang soup. This afang soup was so yummy, guys. Like, hey, that man can cook. Shanari chef LMB. Hey guys, this afang soup, so yummy, so yummy. Like, hey, can you see it? Can you see how it looks? So fresh, so fresh. Hey, if your husband cannot cook, you're the lucky man, because how could I alone would have been able to, you know, with all the stress, cook all the 3 things, 2 soups and 1 stew? I couldn't. So, and here is my own melon. This is, you know, Akwa Ibom melon, not Yoruba melon. No, this is the real Calabar melon soup. Like, and I like always mixing my melon soup with fresh mackerel fish and beef. You know, I just like having the taste, like the flavor of the mackerel fish in the melon soup. Oh god, this melon soup was giving. It was giving what it's supposed to be giving. In fact, as I do this voiceover, longer throat they catch me. Feel like say I will cook melon soup again. Longer throat, oh, this melon soup was super yummy, guys. Like, hey, he reached for that guy. Wait, talk for my baby birthday. Say I go put canteen. He reached for me to go put canteen. They cook for morning, my husband cook for afternoon. Don't mind me, guys. So if you've watched up to here, you're not subscribed, please join the family. I beg you, Bogobasi. Please don't mind the mess. So this day we're so tired. Like, I was so tired. I was just giving you guys the raw view, no packaging. We don't even get time to package because I was super tired. Hobby too was also tired. Look at the soups, looking so fresh. It even tasted better. And this is the fish we used, the catfish. So I made the fish, and I also I made the fish stew and the melon soup, where hubby just made the afang soup. So that is all. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate and I love you guys. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.
I want your life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know.